Welcome to Air Fryer February. This is the second installment, and you might wonder, why are you seeing my face again? But Little Village Homestead ended up not being able to be part of the collaboration because of a family emergency. So we're all jumping in and taking over her video times. So I'd like to thank the rest of the collaborators on Air Fryer February. We've got Tulilu Creates, Deep South Homestead, Freedom Homestead, Jenny Gow, Sutton's Days, and me, Prepper Potpourri. So remember, if you'd like to win an air fryer, watch each of these videos Monday through Friday and comment below, and then March 1st we're going to select randomly one lucky winner for the Elect air fryer. So make sure to watch every Monday through Friday, and I have a playlist right here, so if you want to save that URL, you can see all the new air fryer recipes as they are released. But today I thought, you know, one of the advantages of using air fryers, it's quick, right? So let's make a really quick, simple snack. And it's probably a little healthier than a lot of snacks that you might eat. Now we are going to make crispy, crunchy chickpea snack in the air fryer. And it really takes less than 20 minutes to actually prepare and cook. I mean, it's really fast. If you were trying to make this same thing in your oven, it would take probably 3 times as long. And I got this recipe at sweetpeasandsaffron.com, and in the more section below this video, I have a link to that video if you'd like to watch hers. Now, the advantage of this is you can use whatever seasonings you want. But she recommends not using sugar because sugar burns quicker and it could cause a problem. You could end up with blackened Cajun chickpeas, I guess. But I'm using her recipe, but again, feel free to use any other rub recipe you might have. So let's get started. Okay, to make this recipe, you need to have chickpeas. So here you go. Here's a can of chickpeas. But you might not find something on the shelves called chickpeas. Very often instead, it's garbanzo beans, or however you say it. So if you go to the store and can't find chickpeas, look for this. And it's about, 17 ounces or bigger can is fine for this recipe. And you're going to need a tablespoon of oil. I'm using olive oil, 1/8 teaspoon of salt, although I might use just a little bit more. I do like this snack to be salty. And then we're going to want a 1/4 teaspoon garlic powder. This is my homemade powder. And a 1/4 teaspoon onion powder. And then a 1/2 teaspoon paprika. I really don't know how much taste paprika actually has, but it does add nice color. If you use smoky paprika, I think it has more of a taste. But anyway, it adds nice color. And then, completely up to you, if you want to add a little heat, a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, or more if you want more heat. And that's all there is to it. Very simple recipe. Now you want to drain these well. And of course you might want to keep this juice for soup or something, but I'm not right now. So we'll be back when we have them well drained. You could use a colander for this too. Or you could have help from Xander. Xander. Well, really, I think my canned method was good enough. I'm really not getting any drips. So now we're ready to the next step. Now let's add our tablespoon oil. And we're going to want to cover these beans with it. And the nice thing is you don't have to get these beans completely dry before you start the process like you do for the oven. It's so much quicker in the air fryer. Okay. Now Now we're going to spread our spices, which I mixed up. We get these on. So we'll get these mixed well, and it's time for the air fryer. So you've got them mixed up well. Now you're just gonna pour them in. Spread them out a bit. Now it's time to go in our air fryer. So we want to set our temperature for 390, and then our time for probably about 12 minutes. Might be 15, we'll just have to check, but we're going to take them out and shake them in between. Here goes. Now, I'm going to want to take this out and shake it a bit. It's been 3 minutes. See, it's already starting to brown a bit. And then we just want to shake the basket. We're going to put it back in. So it's 5 minutes. I'm going to take it out, shake it up again. I hope you can see they are browning. Okay, putting it back in. They're looking good. Okay, our 12 minutes is up. Let's check it. Okay, getting pretty brown. I'm gonna leave it in for 2 more minutes. Get them even browner. Now I'm just gonna add a little more salt to them. Whoa, they're still warm. Because who doesn't like a salty snack? Okay, ready for the taste test. Oh, I mean, don't those look good? Let's pop one in our mouth. Nice and crispy, but you can still taste the little bit mushiness of the bean inside. Next time I'd put a little more heat on it because that's what I like. But what a great fast snack to make for your family. Now, is this healthy? Well, you know, you are using beans, but there is a tablespoon of oil. So just the beans by themselves, just 1/4 of that can is 100 calories. So if you're adding the oil too, you got to figure probably 125 calories for 1/4. Oh, now I'm tasting the heat a little. Oh, this is good. Anyway, a different snack other than popcorn to make for your family when they're watching a movie. Something so easy in your air fryer. I mean, it hardly takes any time at all to make this. As opposed if you wanted to make it in your oven. It's funny. The heat is now coming down my throat. Couldn't feel it originally, but now I am. Love that heat. So I hope you enjoyed this second installment of Air Fryer February. Be sure to tune in every day, Monday through Friday in February, for another installment of a great air fryer recipe. And remember, comment on each video so you might have a chance to win your own air fryer, thanks to Elect Homes.